Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the Fourier transform. So let me have the introduction about the Fourier transform. So as all of you know, how to solve ordinary differential equation with the help of initial condition by using Laplace transform, whereas solving the partial differential equation with the help of boundary condition can be solved by using Fourier transform. So Fourier transform is a type of a integral transform mainly used in the signals and systems while converting the time domain to the frequency domain. So the Fourier transform finds applications for solving the partial differential equations. And how to get this Fourier transform? The Fourier transforms appears when we apply the limits to the Fourier series. And the advantage of the Fourier transform compared to the Fourier series, here we have, as we know, Fourier series is used only for periodic function, whereas the Fourier transforms we can used to find out the non-periodic function also. So let me have what are the formulas we are going to use to identify the Fourier transform for the given function. So here let f of x be a function. Let f of x be a function defined for all the positive values of x. So therefore the Fourier transform the Fourier the Fourier transform Fourier transform of f of x is given by Fourier transform of f of x is given by, here we have the formula. Fourier transform is notation we are using capital F of the given function, that is f of x, which is equal to f of u given by the formula integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x into e to the power iux into dx. So how to identify the Fourier transform for the given function? That is, you are using the notation as f of u given by the formula integral from minus infinity to plus infinity f of x. The given function we have to multiply with e to the power of iux and do integrate with respect to x between the limit. After applying the limits, we'll come to know what is the Fourier transform for the given function. So now we will consider here the inverse Fourier transform. So therefore now I'll write the inverse Fourier transform of f of u is given by the formula. Here I am using inverse notation. I am using f inverse of f of x. F inverse of f of u is using the notation I am using here, f of x given by the formula 1 by 2 pi integral from minus infinity to plus infinity capital F of u into e to the power minus iux into du. So how to find the inverse Fourier transform? The formula here we are using the notation as f of x, which is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral from minus infinity to plus infinity f of u e to the power of minus iux into du. So here to find the inverse Fourier transform, the formula will be f of u, nothing but a Fourier transform of the given function into e to the power of minus iux into du. Do integrate with respect to u. So these are the two formulas we are using while calculating the Fourier transform for the given function. So here let me consider as a note. You can observe here we are using a Fourier transform of any functions. Notation here you are using as capital F of u. Nothing but a Fourier transform of f of x is equal to f of u, whereas the inverse of f of u we are considering here as f of x. Nothing but inverse Fourier transform of f of u is equal to f of x. Thank you.